Hey guys, look what I found. That is a big piece of equipment. Well, it's an impressive looking piece of equipment, but how in the hell are you going to put this in a tent? You put a few pounds of pressure on a freshly printed wall and it's going to fall over every single time. That's why when I look over here at this print that's just been done, impressive print, no doubt. Cracks, all kinds of cracks, print inconsistencies, but the thing that you see the most is all the layers. Count all those layers. Some of those layers, they didn't get to 4 inches. And then you can't print in the wind. So printing even to 8 feet and stopping every 6 inches, that's 16 separate prints. That's 3 weeks. And then you take away the days for wind and the days for rain, you got a 1 month print, and that's for 8 feet tall. Just count those layers one by one and you'll know why this beautiful thing right here is it's just shit. Why did they waste all this money developing the wrong tech? You can't print 6 inches, 12 inches. Some of the best prints on that thing I don't see being taller than 12 inches. It's not faster, it's not cheaper, and you're never gonna put this damn thing in a tent, that's for sure.